guys, welcome back to yet another unboxing video, which is going to be an IM which I bought from Concept Kart. Come on, let's see what I bought and let's unbox. So guys, we are at our unboxing station. This is our first product from Concept Kart. This is an IM that I've bought. Let's unbox. So आप भी सोच रहे होंगे मैंने कौन से IM खरीदे हैं. सो बॉक्स खोलने का पता लग जाएगा. ये ऑडियो कलर की तरफ से आता हुआ एक ईयरफोन का केस है जो फ्री मिलता है if you have bought anything above 5,000 rupees from Concept Kart. So there's this case. And सब पैकेजिंग को साइड रखते हुए we have another box here. This says this box is only intended for protecting the product during shipping. So guys, here is our product. I have got Simgot Ew300 Dsp version. These are the Ew300s and yeah, they look amazing. So here is the box. So yeah, let's get right into it. So here is how the box looks. I'm pretty excited. They look very pretty. The IEMs that I've seen in the videos देखे हैं मैंने बहुत pretty IEMs हैं. Let's see. So here they are. These are made out of metal. Let's get some ASMR here. So these are the IEMs. Let's see what all do we get in the box. It says accessories, but okay, it has these ear hooks, I could say. These says more accessories. The box was pretty amazing. काफी सुंदर है. Here is a case again. काफी अच्छा case है. Leatherite finish है. The zipper is really nice. And we get here is this is the cable for the IEMs. यहाँ पे इसके connectors हैं. And this is the DSP version, which is Type C. And it has a built-in DAC in it, so great. It also comes with a microphone, so if you're over the phone you can use it. I'm gonna use this particularly for gaming. And we also have a thing that says, it says salute to art and science. What all do we get? We get these rings inside. We get these two nozzles. These are gold-plated nozzles. और इनमें pre-installed आते हैं ये silver वाले. दोनों के sound signatures अलग-अलग हैं. And we also get these foam cushions that go inside the IEMs. So this is how you unscrew it and change if you would like. Once again, the IEMs look pretty good. It got one X और एक heart है left और right के लिए. So Let's go ahead and connect it. These are the right ones. Yeah. This goes here. This is the left one. This goes here. And again, I use small or medium sizes. I will have to wear them to ensure good fitting. I will use the small ones for now. Pretty good, they got good heft, but I think they are really comfortable to wear. So guys, that's it for this unboxing video. अगर आपको इसके बारे में और जानना है, कैसे साउंड करते हैं आदि amazing, you can drop on my streams. I do regularly stream. So see you guys in the next one. तब तक के लिए bye bye, tata, take care.